When you're at your desk and you're feeling the tension build, especially in the neck and the shoulders, this one's for you. So as you inhale, release the shoulders up towards the ears. Exhale, drop them down and back. Inhale, bring them up. Exhale, drop them back. One more. Inhale, bring them up. Exhale, drop them back. Reverse your circle, so shoulders go back first. Inhaling up to the ears. Exhale, forward and down. Inhaling up. Exhale, forward and down. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale down. Beautiful. Take your right ear to your right shoulder. Breathe deeply. On your next inhale, take your chin and point it up towards the sky. On your next inhale, take your chin and drop it down towards your shoulder. Roll the chin down towards the center of the chest and draw your left ear to your left shoulder. One big breath. Next inhale, chin goes up towards the sky. Next inhale, chin comes down to your shoulder. Roll the chin down towards the center of your chest. Breathe here. And inhale, release the head back on top of the shoulders. Holding on to the base of your chair, squeeze your shoulder blades together, puff up the chest, and just lift the chin as if you're trying to shine a light straight up from your chest to the sky. Fill your lungs with air. Feel that space expanding. One more. Exhale, release. Take your right arm up towards the sky. You can hold on to the chair for a bit of support and just take a side bend over towards the left. Breathe into the right side of the ribs. Inhale back to center. Left arm comes up. Hold on to the chair with your right hand. Exhale, over you go. Feel the left side of your rib cage filling with oxygen, filling with air, filling with space. Inhale back up to center. Right hand crosses over the left knee, looking over your left shoulder, gentle twist. Keep the spine long. And the other way, left hand to right knee. Lengthen the spine, twisting over the right shoulder. Inhale back to center. Shake out the shoulders, shake out the hands, shake out the neck. Give yourself a little shimmy, shake it all out. And take 3 deep inhales. Feel your feet on the earth, grounding yourself down into the floor. Feel your sit bones down onto your chair. Breathe in. Exhale through the mouth. And again, breathe in. Exhale, let it go. One more. Deep exhale. I hope that tension has released just a little bit, ready for you to get back on with your day. Thank you.